Welcome to the home of the School of Industrial and Graphic Design.
Our classrooms, shops, and studio spaces can all be found here. Everything we need as a design student is in this building.
The main entrance of the building is on the second floor. Here you'll find the third and fourth year industrial design studio spaces. Here you'll also find industrial and graphic design's faculty offices.
The graphic design foundation studios are also on the second floor, along with our photography studio where we can document all of our work for our portfolios.
We are very fortunate to have our very own IT specialist for the school. His office is located on the second floor as well as our 3D printers.
We have headed down to the first floor where the professional graphic design studios are located. Here you will also find the graphic design senior project space. In this room, each senior gets a dedicated space where they can work on their semester-long final project.
The industrial design summer up and second year are here on the first floor. This is the space where we learn everything from drawing fundamentals to 2D and 3D design foundations. Our last stop on the tour is the School of Industrial and Graphic Design shop spaces. In this space on the first floor, you will find a large wood shop, the metal shop, large and small CNC routers, and a paint room.
You will also find our laser cutter room and plotters in the same area.
The shop, laser cutter, and plotters allow us to create physical prototypes of the products we design to put in our portfolios throughout our career as students in industrial and graphic design.